Yeah, I was itchy all night listening.
Why does it keep lightening and darkening?
Because of me. That's my hair. It's trying
Listen, you look like a
We need a better light
I look like an ogre.
for me. We need, like, black folks lighting.
Black folks lighting.
This ain't black
Y'all heard that,
folks
didn't you? This ain't black folks lighting. Me, I'm bright.
Yes.
I'm not bright. She's brighter than I am, but I'm bright. Anyways.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
You ready? You're welcome. In 3, 2. Hello, everybody. E here. Welcome back to part 2. We're back in China. We're not actually in China.
With Shell. You
Who
love
that
me,
is?
don't you? Yes. I'm Shell.
That's Shell.
How y'all doing?
Y'all know who she is by now. This is like episode 550 of
Yeah,
Is It Nasty? Alright, I don't know. I'm so tired. We've been out in the heat all day.
Oh, it's hot.
It's a billion degrees in Alabama. I don't know what's going on. So we are going to start off. I know those are supposed to be weird. He told... there's something else there. Oh, is that it? No. I'm missing something.
What is that?
Hang on, I'm missing something. Nope, there they are. Last time I saw them, they look like that, but the back is gold. I thought we'd lost them. Those are supposed to be funky. Those two things. Or he warned again. He brought them up. He asked if we tried them yet.
Smell funky or
I don't know.
funky?
If it's anything like that Dorian, we in trouble. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Those. Oh, these are those mochi. Let's try those. This is an extra.
Ooh.
That's not the same thing.
They're so squishy.
They're squishy. They're squishy, y'all.
Ooh.
Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to get all this stuff out of the box so I don't have to constantly keep on reaching into the box. But there's still quite a bit of stuff. How you doing?
Pro tip, he could have done this already.
Could have done this before we even started. This says something about something. I ain't gonna bring that up. Go ahead.
So we're doing
We're gonna start with the best thing probably.
This.
Mochi. Mango flavor, is that what that says?
I guess so.
Mango flavor mochi.
Yeah.
Y'all, let me know what mochi is down there in the doobly-doo. Richard, if you're watching, I hope so. Then let us know what mochi is down there in doobly-doo. Oh, what?
Fingernail power. What is? Okay, I'm guessing.
I think that's a freshness pack.
That's a freshness pack. It says do not microwave.
They like. Who's opening up this package and sticking this in the microwave?
Oh.
Oh, she had a moment.
It feels weird.
She had a moment. We got two, so we get one each.
It feels like...
What the hell is that? What? Y'all, it smells like some armpit.
It reminds me of, like...
What is
egg
that?
yolk.
It's like egg yolk. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
But it's got this really soft, smooth
I broke through.
texture, and it's...
Ready?
Ooh,
3,
okay.
2, 1. Oh, what the fuck? What the what? I can't. That is funny. What is that? I'm bad. I thought I was including my entire slip. I had to get it down. Oh.
It's all...
Y'all, I thought that was going to be the best thing. I can't do that. I can't do that other half. I can't.
Ew.
If you can, you go for
No?
it. Ain't no way. It's okay. The outside is like a really, those stress balls that you squeeze on. That's the texture. So, but it's got like the outside is almost like a soft plastic, like a wax kind of, and then inside is like this jelly. But the jelly doesn't really taste as much like mango as it does like men's locker room.
Yeah.
That's about what it's like armpit and butt funk. Or foot funk. There's something going on there that shouldn't be there. And that's, Richard, what the hell was that? Alright.
And it looks like uncooked.
And look, we got an extra package too, because Richard was so lovely to us.
Thanks, Richard.
He's probably watching this right now going, I love those things.
Yes, and laughing.
Probably. And that's the whole point of these.
Really
to torture us. This is,
Oh.
I don't know.
Look what it did in my finger.
Ugh, can you get that on camera? It gave her, like, her finger looks like it's peeling.
Ew.
Wipe it off in your pants. Here's a towel.
That'll work.
The
Wait,
towel.
where's this towel then?
On my shoulder for like...
Wiping your sweat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what
Oh, he gave me his sweat
There's some dry spots on it.
He loves me so much.
Hey, y'all, this is Shell. We're part of Is It Nasty every single episode. She's been here.
Every episode. I'm right here. Been here for how many years?
It's hot. 17 years.
And you
17
just gave me your sweat.
This is sweat pay.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the heck is this? What?
Oh my god. It's like fruit jerky. Here, get you some. Alright, this is, y'all, this
This
is...
looks like some crap we'd give our dog.
Yeah, this is called dark plum. Dark plum.
I don't know.
You gonna have the boo-boo squirts.
Ew.
Ooh. Ooh.
It's
Isn't it plums?
like dog treats.
Isn't it plums that make you poop?
Yes, it's plums that.
Oh god, what does that smell?
Ew.
Is that like MSG or soy sauce or something? What does that smell? It smells like Chinese food. It smells like a Chinese food buffet.
It's not,
Like all the flavors. Alright. Okay. Alright, I'm down with it.
okay.
Alright. I like this, but I'm one of those weirdos that like salted licorice. Sweden, what's up? I love that stuff. Samak, whatever it's called.
It's not horrible.
It's nowhere near as nasty as a mochi.
No. It's
Nowhere near.
It's edible.
Mm-hmm.
Not saying that I would enjoy it enough to purchase it again. No. But
That's pretty good. I like that. If it
Uh-huh.
wouldn't be for the anal explosions, it's like eating a whole... While she's chewing, while she got a mouthful, booty
I
blasting.
swear you secretly hate me.
No. They do, though. They like to see you cry.
Yeah, I know.
That's a shame. Y'all stop doing that. That's rude.
Y'all so mean.
Sweat towel.
At least it's on your face. Just
Okay.
that.
I want to save this for the end. Now we're going to do...
Okay, I'm not finishing that
You're not
either.
finishing
You
that.
want to finish that?
No.
You just said, oh, I love it. It's so yummy.
No. I said that's not bad. After that mochi, I could have ate cat shit, and that would have tasted fine. We just got demonetized. Oh yeah, I'm remonetized, guys. Hey.
Yay! YouTube money.
Yay. Okay, this is...
Why does the package look like a...
Okay, I should have showed it before. This is from Snacks Kingdom. This is sweet and spicy dried tofu. When the Chinese say something spicy, when just Asian cultures, period, say spicy, you better pay attention. When them jokers, it's like, there's sheets. I was not expecting sheets. It peels. Get you some of that. Is this some of that funky tofu?
It smells spicy as...
Yes,
Oh!
you up for some disasterness.
I'm about to die.
Just take a little,
On
seriously,
camera.
just take a little bite. And don't, oh my god, they're oil, chili
fingers.
oils.
Ah! You can just see it just shining off of it.
I can't eat that. That's not food. That's not food. That's not food.
Y'all, I'm seriously thinking about not trying this and just watching him torture
That's
himself.
not food. There's no way people eat it.
No way.
No, no, you broke me. You did.
Ew.
How y'all doing?
Just don't throw up in the trash can.
No,
That was gross.
that's not food. That is not food. That's like, that's some kind of tiling that they put spices in. That's like floor tiling that they put spices in. Go ahead, take this little bite. Just a little bite. You know what that tastes like? That tastes like week-old octopus. That's what that tastes like. Not that I know what week-old octopus tastes like. And it's got some spice to it. It might be too much for you. It might be. That right there, Richard, I don't know. They eat this? How many people? Exactly. It's like floor tiling. Ew. It's got...
like rubbery and...
Yeah, it tastes...
Ew.
Doesn't it have the texture of like octopus or something like
Yeah,
that?
it does. But not as good.
There's sweet and spice. Ain't no sweet, first off.
No, it's just
Ain't
spice.
a lick of sweet in this. It's just terrible. That's I have swallowed spoiled milk jelly beans. I have eaten, what was that other thing that was the thing in the last thing that we had in the last video?
The Dorian.
The durian. Dorian Gray.
Durian something.
Durian candy.
Yeah.
I have had that. Those are the nastiest things I've ever put in my... That's not food. I am not... I can't swallow
Did
that.
you just eat a spicy tiger?
I don't... That's exactly what it tastes like. Uh-oh.
Yeah, don't do that.
I almost sweat towel. I almost put that...
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, just wipe it on your
I don't
pants.
want to wipe
That's
it on
what
your
the...
sweat towel.
That's what it is.
That would be rude.
What? How does this open, Richard? Like, down there in the comments section, tell me how this...
Man.
Figure that out.
What the what?
I don't know.
Wow, dude. We should start doing this when we don't want Chris to get into something.
What? Put tape on it? Like that?
Yes. Seal it up. This. Hey,
Hashtag,
Chris,
oh.
can you open it?
What did I do?
Ooh. There we go.
What is that?
Fingernails and
I don't know, but let's let that package air out.
let it air out. What
yeah,
the what?
I'm gonna let that air out.
Oh no. What is this?
We gonna have to. That's sweat.
Ooh, look, it looks like candy bar.
Yeah, it does. Okay, my son, because we don't have a lot of sweets or sugar around the house like all the time.
Like never.
Like
since
never.
he was born.
Right. So my son legitimately thinks, well, for the longest time, he knows the difference now because he's actually had candy bars, like, Snickers and whatnot. But he used to call granola bars candy bars.
He still does.
Because, I mean,
Still does.
come on, American granola bars
That
are candy.
actually smells not
I'm
too
high.
bad. It looks like
I'm
it
high.
tastes like paper or some cardboard, but
Yeah. Ooh. It's like oatmeal or something.
Yeah.
Let's see, what's the lid?
Sorry about that.
That's alright. This is... What?
Okay. I'm
This
gonna
is
go first.
Osmanthus fragrance cake.
He said what?
Osmanthus...
What is that?
Osmanthus
Pinkish
fragrance.
stuff's in there.
There's no... It's not CE. It's fragrance. Fragrance. Fragrans. I thought you could read cursive. That's English. Well, that's French or something.
Fragrance. That's
Cake. I thought so.
cake.
Alright, let's try this.
Whatever.
3, 2, go ahead.
Life. Okay. We have monetization. I can't say what I want to say.
Demonetization. Mmm.
Oh.
That's like some unsweetened chocolate cereal.
Reminds me of like a rice cake.
It's not terrible.
No.
Not bad. It's not good either.
The flavor
it's
is not very impactful, but it's there.
The thing I realized with like the
Oh,
Australian treats and the China sweets, but I knew this to begin with, is there's not a whole lot of sugar in any of this stuff.
No,
Like-
which is fine.
yeah.
I'm cool with that, but make
We're
it
kinda-
doable. Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
We just want to.
Yeah, we're all fuzzy. Okay, this isn't bad. I could like eat more of that, but not right now, because that'll take me like an hour just to eat one of those.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay, that's nice.
What
That's
a nice
something.
little container.
Yeah, the kids we'll probably reuse that container too. What? Oh, here's the lid.
Be great.
Sorry.
Wash it out.
It tastes like unsweetened cocoa frosted.
Yeah.
Not cocoa frosted, cocoa pebbles or something like that.
Yeah. Something like that.
Cocoa Rice Krispies. Whatever. This had some funk coming off of it.
No.
This is, y'all, I have no idea what they were going for, but this legit says cowhide sugar. Okay? It's not cowhide unless it is, but it's covered in sesame seed, not sesame. No, it's not covered in it. Elmo. Okay, so they got some weirdness in here. There's some strawberry flavor. Here, I'm going to put them out in your hand. We got strawberry. Looks like hazelnut, maybe? What is that? It says a flower or something. It says flower flavored. This has got to be walnut.
Yeah.
Y'all, every single one of these is different. Peanut. I'm going to go with that's not an apple. What is that?
A lime?
No, that ain't no lime.
No, it's not lime.
I'm going to try it because it's funky. Pick something.
My nose.
They're all, I honestly believe they're all different.
I just take the strawberry.
No, I'm so sorry. It is so hot out here.
Maybe I get lucky. I don't know. Let's see.
Now, there's some funk that's coming off of it, but
Maybe it's just because of all
I think it's
the
just a
flavors.
sesame. Yeah, I think it's just a menage of all those different flavors and everything. Like a miasma of variety. It's a miasma of variety. I don't know what this is. It smells delicious. It smells like kind of like a Jolly Rancher. It wants to be an apple. What's that smell like to you?
A little like a green apple. Yeah.
Y'all, how do you make jelly without sugar?
I don't know. I do make jelly without sugar.
There ain't no...
Okay.
That's got to be all pectin or gelatin. There's nothing sweet about that. How's your strawberry?
Okay, there's some flavor right there. Okay.
Very subtle.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
Why is everything's texture just jacked up? China, what's wrong with your texture? That's wrong with it. I don't know. There's something wrong with that. I don't even know what that is. It looks like an apple with eczema. You got eczema?
You need to quit. Anyways.
He needs some milk. Alright, so the meme train. Oh, that was my speaker. Again. Alright, let's finish this up with something that I am not too thoroughly excited for. This is a plum lollipop. Those black things we had earlier, those dog treats, those were plum also. This is plum lollipop. Now, I don't know what the coating is, but if you see a little dude's head right here, I don't know if you can see it. He's like covered in like chocolate or something. But you can see like his brain meat right there. But the brain meat is like a plum. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna hurry up because last time the video stopped on us.
Because brain meat.
Because what the everything we opened.
Oops. Sorry, y'all. But
oh, that's strong. That's like somebody sprayed some Glade plum flavor. I mean, plum. Or let's get this in our mouth. Let's get this over with. This is the last of it. Many thanks to Richard. If I forget, many thanks to my buddy Richard Gerlach who sent these things. I don't want to put this in my mouth. All right.
Hey.
You can get it open.
Eventually.
You can't get it open. It's so hot. It's so hot. Dude, Alabama in June. It's June, right? No, July. July.
It's July.
Mm.
It's like stuff to it.
It's stank. It's stank. You got to peel it off. Like tear it open.
Here, do it.
You have it. Get that one. All right. See, that's how the Chinese stay so like in shape because you can't get into your food. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I know. I'm sorry.
That was bad.
That was white. That was very white of me. That was very white and American of me. I apologize. All right, ready? The look on your face. All right.
Oh.
What's that covered in? Is that some kind of plum caramel? What is that? I gotta get down into the. How many licks does it take to?
No more. That's how many.
I can't get through it. I can't.
This is weird.
Oh. The moisture it gets, the more flavor it has.
No.
Oh, y'all! The sound clips for this episode is gonna be amazing. Ew. Ooh.
I don't get it.
That tastes like plum.
Tastes like plum and
caramel
mixed with caramel.
Yeah, like a plum like a plum caramel.
Yeah, no. Here, do something with that. What are you doing? Are you really trying to finish?
I'm trying to get down to the meat. It's fruit. What is meat? Fruit meat. Trying to get down to the fruit meat. Something vegan would do would be like a pineapple and pear hamburger. There's a vegan down in the comment section right now going, "Oh, fat man, that's why you fat man." This is terrible. So, thank you, Richard, for. I mean, the second half of this video just completely sucked. I mean, I think except for like the chocolate doohickeys things. Pretty much everything was terrible, in our opinion. Of course, we're not Chinese. We were not raised with this stuff. No. It's probably an acquired taste. If I was over in China for long enough, I'd probably
eventually we'd like it. Yes.
Yeah. But one of the reasons why I'm as fat as I am is because of all the sugar and all the tasty stuff that we have over here. Instead of just eating food for fuel, we eat food for comfort. We eat food because it tastes good. That kind of thing. Now, granted, these are supposed to be treats and snacks. So, this is the kind of thing, but this is the kind of thing like you have one and you're fine. This isn't Lay's potato chips, you know, you can have, you don't want more than one. Anyways, so until next time, I have been E, you have been you, Shell is down in the doobly-doo. We'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye!